can start to see the metal kind of deforming a little bit. This is ice. You take the cold as long as you can.
Let me see the key. Okay.
There. Now we have to act quickly, but this key, do you see how it's starting? Look at that.
Yes.
See that? Watch. Watch. I can take it here, just between my fingers, and because of that heat, look,
You can bend it.
you can bend it.
Can you do it without your fingers covering so much of it?
Yeah. It's just kind of hard.
Oh, is it hard? Okay.
Okay, so look. You see that's how it's already starting to bend?
Yes.
Watch this. Watch. I'm just gonna.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
See that?
Let me see it from the other side. Yeah, so flat side to me, yeah. That's
Watch this.
crazy. Whoa. Yeah, it's really bending.
Okay, so now,
Usually.
now that we're at that bending spot, just with, you want to try and give it just the slightest S. See that? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then that will go in here.
Mm-hmm.
Now look, it doesn't want to go in anymore,
Right.
even though it fit before, but now we're going to have that metal bend itself to the shape of the lock. As it goes in, that metal is bending there.
Okay.
See that?
Yep.
Now, what's gonna take is I take the bottom of that knife and I just bump it, bump it, bump it. There it is. And now we let it rest for about 5 seconds, because if we turn it now, it'll bend that metal and it won't be
break.
able to turn. Yeah,
you don't
it could break. But what we do is, after it's had enough time to rest, you ready? We get that lemon back on it, like this. There. And now watch this. This lemon helps solidify that metal so we can turn.
Oh.
Listen. There it is. And that means if that turned, there it is. And we can pull that out. And now we've got our own bump key to get into any lock that we want, because that metal will bend to whatever lock you need.